Hey, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. In this video, I wanted to cover a question that popped up in our community, which is what free subscription plugin do you recommend for WooCommerce? And WooCommerce itself doesn't offer recurring payments out of the box for free. They require this paid plugin called WooCommerce Subscriptions, which is definitely worth checking out. I've used this one many times. It allows you to create recurring payments. So if you wanted to have installation payments, one payment a month for 6 months and then payments stop, you would use this product, or you could do recurring payments once a year ongoing, once a month ongoing, however you wanted to set that up. WooCommerce Subscriptions is a great product. There's a free product on the WordPress repository called WooCommerce Subscription. I haven't used this one before. It has a few mixed reviews, a few free and pro features. You may be able to check this one out for a free subscription setup in WooCommerce. But another consideration is using an LMS, such as LifterLMS. With the Earth Bundle, this $149 bundle here, you can create those recurring payment plans for a membership inside of LifterLMS and then give users access to various sides of your website, or just use it for collecting recurring payments. LifterLMS also integrates with WooCommerce in some interesting ways. You could run both of them on the same website, but this may be a little bit more of a budget option for getting started with Stripe and PayPal transactions on a recurring basis. But yeah, those are my top recommendations, is checking out the WooCommerce subscription product, the official one. There may be a free one on the WordPress repository that would work for your setup, or maybe even cheaper, just going with an LMS system to manage those recurring payments for you. Even though you're not leveraging the functionality of courses, you may add that onto your site later or expand, and this is an interesting way to get set up for a little bit of a discount while also doing those recurring payments. Feel free to let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. My name is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.